In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dynamic gap probability TradingView Pro. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can get this indicator showing up cleanly on your chart. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It doesn't matter which market or time frame you're on for this setup, as long as you can see a standard TradingView chart in front of you. To start, move your attention to the top of the chart where the main toolbar is. Up there, you'll see a button labeled Indicators. Go ahead and click on that. This is the main place where you can search for and add any indicator to your chart, whether it's built-in, community-made, or something you've used before. Once you click Indicators, a new window or panel will pop up. At the very top of that panel, you'll see a search box. Click directly into that search box so your cursor is active and ready for typing. This search bar is powerful because there are thousands of indicators on TradingView, and the fastest way to find what you need is simply to type its name. Now, in that search box, start typing dynamic gap probability. As you type, TradingView will automatically begin filtering the list of indicators below, showing you anything that matches what you've entered. Look carefully through the results for the indicator called dynamic gap probability. Once you see it, click on it once. TradingView will immediately add it to your current chart. After you click it, take a moment to confirm that it's actually visible. Depending on how the indicator is designed, you might see new lines, zones, or additional information plotted over your price chart. You can usually open the settings for the indicator by hovering over its name in the chart's legend and clicking the settings icon. From there, you can adjust colors, visibility, and other options so it matches your own style and is easy for you to read. If you're using or planning to use a paid plan, such as TradingView Pro, make sure to use the affiliate link provided in the video description. That link will take you directly to TradingView's sign up or upgrade page, and it's a simple way to support the channel while you get access to more chart layouts, more indicators at once, and additional features that make using tools like dynamic gap probability smoother and more flexible. That's all you need to do. Open the indicators menu, use the search box to find dynamic gap probability, add it to your chart, and then fine-tune it so it fits your trading workflow.